Hi, my name is Richard Jones and I work for Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water. You may not know this, but we do a lot of building work. It's all needed to get clean water to you, take used water and sewage away, and help keep our rivers and seas free from pollution. Actually, building sites are pretty exciting places. Just the kind of place you may think would be great to play in. Big mistake. And I'm going to show a couple of friends of mine why.
Richard, why do we need all this stuff anyway?
Building sites are really dangerous places. The people who work here have had special training in terms of health and safety awareness, and the clothing is just a part of it. I'm going to take you around the site now so that you can both see for yourselves really why the clothing is important. That's why we wear high visibility clothing, guys. It gets us noticed. As you can see, we've lots of heavy machinery on the site, and by wearing the clothing they can see us, and we're a lot safer.
So Richard, what are these?
These are sort of dangerous substances that we use on the site. They all sort of quite recognisable to us by the labels on the containers. So we're all trained really to understand how to use these products. And this is where the gloves and the eyewear and the clothing really comes into its own, and that it protects us when we use the products so that we don't get into any harm.
That looks pretty high.
Yes, and that is why we wear these safety helmets and reinforced sort of footwear. It helps us in the event of a hammer or something heavy really falling off a platform of that nature. You know, it has the potential to cause pretty serious harm. As you can see here, guys, we've got a pretty deep excavation, and there's a few of these around the site. You really don't want to fall in here, otherwise you're going to get hurt. And even then, you know, getting out of here will be a little bit of a problem. So there we are, guys. Even when you know what you're doing, as you've seen, construction sites are pretty dangerous places. What do you reckon?
I think I've learned that a construction site isn't a place to hang around.